So let's check this out, guys. Right. So inside the AI Illustrator, now a lot of you were asking about that. Oh, I have my own story, right? So we have this. We are working on this functionality where you can get your own story and then generate the consistent character. But for now, what you can do, you can this AI Illustrator is magic thing, guys, right? Because in one click, it gives you so many characters. Now, when we have Van Gogh, a lot of people are asking about that. Stained glass is the most requested thing. And specifically, and other than that, right? Like a lot of people want to create in futuristic style, mechs, Transformers style of books, for example, right? So you can do now. All you gotta do, right, is let's say I wanna use the Van Gogh style, right? So it has that same artistic feel and artistic style that you would get from an actual photo. And you can tell it's AI generated. Let me show you, right? You say man on the beach. You don't have to worry much about the prompt. You can just say anything and it gets it generated, right? Now, while this is generated, I want to show you something really, really cool. So what's the vision with the artist, right? Because it's going to be the number one image generation software in this planet, right? So what we are doing is we are implementing an army of design agents that takes your idea and gets you a complete product in just one click. Right now, we just started with kids' storybook. We're gonna do book covers. We're gonna do thumbnails. We're gonna do coloring books. We're gonna do social media posts. We're gonna do everything that you guys will request. So everything is all in one together. We're gonna do whether you bring your own product and you want AI model viewing it. Right now, it's only supported for T-shirts, right? We're gonna have with different models and different accessories, whether it is like a earring, necklace, or hats, or whatever it is. That's where it's heading, right? Just so that. And another cool thing for those of you guys who are wondering, you see all these viral trends on social media, right? You see these miniatures. We've added that as well, as you probably have noticed, right? So I'm going to show you, right? So man on the farm, right? So what it does, it gets you those images, and then you can convert these images into videos, obviously using Video Express. But that's really, really cool that we are working on. And stuff like you've probably seen on YouTube Shorts or Instagram, where these kind of viral images or viral videos are there, where things are like a dog cutting a meat, or cooking something or stuff like that. So for example, like a panda cutting meat. Another thing that you can do, you don't have to worry about like putting a fully detailed prompt. You can always enhance the prompt, right? Or to make it actually more detailed that AI understands, right? And that is the power right now. That is the power, guys, right? So as our images get created, look at that. Look at that beautiful image. It has that, the number one complaint we had, like, okay, the previous version, it does not. Oh, by the way, we're gonna add watercolor style. It's the most requested thing you guys have been requesting. For those of you who do clip arts on Etsy and all, we're gonna add that as well. You see, a lot of people were complaining that, okay, the image does not have the brush strokes, the artistic element. It seems too finished, too polished, right? We fixed that. Okay. So now it gives you the perfect edges and perfect brush stroke. Nobody can tell it's AI generated, and whether it's artistic generated or AI, right? So that's something. So make sure you play with AI Illustrator. There are a bunch of different tools, or bunch of different. A lot of people are asking, okay, I want a manga style, right? Because I want a retro vibe style. Or for example, I want a style of a comic book, right? So this is very cool, by the way. I'm going to show you, right? The man on the beach, for example, right? You can enhance the prompt. You can choose the aspect ratio. This is easier. Just one click, you get it done. Look at that, right? Now, soon with the newer Video Express updates and everything, you will be able to convert these images into videos as well for social media and all, right? And this is where you see on everywhere, right? Now, another thing, look at that, right? Look at that. You cannot generate images like this with our typical system, right? Now, what we have upgraded it. Now, there's one interesting thing that is kind of hidden in the plain sight, right? So that is with AI Illustrator. Let me know if you like this. If you want more styles, we're gonna keep them adding. Based on your request. Perfect Text Enhanced Designers has something called stock photography, and this is magic, guys. You always wanted to create ultra realistic images of humans, of animals, or whatever it is. It's not possible until now, right? So what we did is with this feature, right? It's going to soon be upgraded to a photorealism. But with this right now, what you can do, let's say I want to do, let's say panda playing in the bamboo pot, right? I have this feature. I showed this feature to let's say one of the business. They deal in woodworking, right? So what they wanted is they wanted an ability to create these images for their PowerPoint presentations, for their realistic images, right? Basic stuff they want, right? For PowerPoint, they want to put some images. For website, they want to put images. They could not get the things they want. Even with ChatGPT, DALL-E, things like that, they give you very polished images. You can tell that it's an AI generated. When this comes, I'll show you. You cannot tell this is AI generated. Okay, let me show you another one. Right? Let's do human examples, right? So let's say a man on the beach, right? A front facing, or let's say a man on the farm, right? Simple stuff. You can always enhance the prompt to make things better, to get your generations better, to make things more.
Yeah, just want to
detailed.
chime in while that thing is being generated. What tool is it? A couple of people were asking it. This is Artistly, our application. In case you did not get it, if you've been living under a rock, get Artistly there. It's Artistly.ai. Because some people might have not gotten it yet. We're watching this YouTube video from my subscriber list and that sort of thing from the subscribers of our YouTube. So go there right now, where we still have it at the lowest possible price. So one-time payment, that you can get access to for all these features we've added. This is four version updates, right? You could say this update that we launched could be version 4.5, literally, right? So the idea here is that, if you haven't gotten it, get it right now. And that allows you to do all these cool things without you needing external applications like a Midjourney or a DALL-E or Ideogram or Leonardo, all these other stuff out there, right? And what separates this is we're listening to your feedback in our Facebook group and making it better and better, as you can see right now. Because, at the end of the day, we want to get your feedback to give you what features you guys want, right? Not what we think is cool most of the time, right? So yeah, if you haven't already got it, get Artistly there at Artistly.ai. Yeah, go ahead, Yash.